what shall we do is let us go to another concepts of SQL. So that is joins, guys. Okay, so that is joins. So joins are very important. So let us go through the concepts of joins. Okay. So let me open my SQL stuff. Okay. So joins means sometimes what we need to do is we need to join two tables case. Okay. So we need to join two tables, data of two tables. Okay. So we have different types of joins. One is left join, another is right join, one is full outer join. Okay. So another is left outer join, another is right outer join, and another is inner join, and another is full outer join. Okay. So in fact, you can summarize them shortly into four different things. Okay. Inner join. Okay. So if you see here, what is this inner join and all? See, if you see here, I have a table with records. I have a table with records. So I have a table with records 1, 2, 3, 5. For example, this is what one table which has records 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This table, so this is table A, this is table B. This table B has records 1, 2, 3, and 6, 7. Okay. So inner join. What is inner join? Inner join means which is this one, the combination. So if we join, what are the records we'll get? We will get 1, 2, 3 records. Okay. So another is result is outer join. Okay. So we have something called as right outer join, left outer join and all. Okay. So for example, so this is table A, this is table B. It has records 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5. It has records 6, 7. Okay. So right outer join. So means this inner one and this thing. Okay. So we will get a combination of 1, 2, 3 and 6, 7. Next, if you see full join. Okay. So full join means you will get output 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So all the things you will get. Okay, so if I explain you with the code, guys, it will be more useful to you, not like showing this visualization, but anyway, I will tell you. So we have different types of joins, left join, right join. Okay, next left join excluding inner join, full outer join. Okay, right join excluding inner join. We have inner join. Next, we have something called as full outer join. Okay, excluding inner join. So these things we will not get. We'll get only these records. Okay. So for example, if you see here, so this I will illustrate you with an example. Suppose table A consists of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Table B consists of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So left join. So what we will get here we have 1, 2, 3. That is a combination. So here 6, 7 to take. So 4, 5. So this is left join. Here 1, 2, 3. So here 4, 5. Here 6, 7. Okay. So this is right join. So you'll get all these things. So left join excluding inner join. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So left join excluding inner join. So we'll get only these two records. What are that? 4 and 5. Okay. So full outer join. What we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7. So what you have to get? You'll get all these records. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 records you'll get. So right join excluding inner join. So what is the combination? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 Here we have 6, 7. So what we will get, right join excluding inner join means we will get only 6 and 7 records. So inner join. So 1, 2, 3. So here 4, 5 and here 6, 7. So what we will get, inner join means you will get records only 1, comma 2, comma 3 records. So full outer join excluding inner join. So what is this? 1, 2, 3, this 4, 5 and 6, 7. So what records here we have to get? We will get only 6, 7, comma 4, 5 records. Okay. So this type of joins is there. So we use joins for joining the tables and other things. So how generally how the tables will be joined and all in SQL, joins are very important. How the tables will be joined, how we will get the results and all we shall look at practically. So if you go here, we have a table. Okay, so we have one table. We have one table. So this is one table. Okay, so consider this as student table. So this is student table. This is course table. Okay. So if you look at both the tables carefully, here we have course ID columns. So do remember for joinings, you should have one common column between the two tables. So point number one, what you should remember, there should be one common column between two tables. If you see, course ID is there here. Here also course ID is there. Okay. So it's a common column. Fine. So here we have student ID. So student ID 1, student ID 2, student ID 3, student ID 4, student ID 5. So student ID 1, what is the name of the student? Alice. What is the course ID? 101. Student number 2, what is the name of the student? Bob. What is the course ID? 102. Student number 3, name of the student? Charlie. Course ID is 103. Student number 4, name of the student is David. Course ID is 104. Student number 5, name of the student is Eve and course ID is 105. Okay. So if you see here in this course ID, we have course ID 101, 102, 103, 106, 107. So if you observe here, this 104 and 105 are not there. So these two are not there. These two are missing. Okay. So what is my motto? I want to make a left join. So I want to make a left join. Okay. So what I have to get result student name and course name. So what is the resultant I should get? So student name and course name. So this is what I have to get. Okay. Student name. If you see this student 101 has a record over here. 101 have a record. What is that record? Max. So what is the resultant table? So if you see here, this is the resultant table. Student name Alice is there. Okay. So Alice, course ID 101. So what is respective course name? Mathematics. So we got mathematics. So next, student Bob. Bob. What is the course ID? 102. So what is the course name representing 102? Physics. So we'll get physics. Okay. So Charlie, 103. So who is 103 is related to Charlie. This is Charlie. And Charlie course name, if you see, that is chemistry. Chemistry. So David is 104. His course ID is. But here 104 is not there. So what it has to take? It has to take a null value. So David, null value. Because this course ID is missing over here. That is the reason. And next, if you take Eve, 105. Okay. So, but 105 is not there. What it has to do? It has to take a null value. So if you see here, guys, so what we are doing, all rows of student names and respect to rows of course ID, if you see only left side, that is matching rows are only coming. So unmatching rows, if at all, if no information is there, what you will get? You will get a null value. For example, let us do it practically. So come here first to create a table and then let us do it practically, guys. You can understand. So come here. First, let us create a table. So I'm creating a table with the name students. So I'm creating a table with the name students. So students is already there. Yes, students is already there. So I'm making it as students too. Okay, right. So we had created a table with the name students too. Let us insert certain records into that students too. So I'm inserting certain records into that students too.
Sir, make
Students too. So we had inserted. Next, select star from students too. Right. So this is that. So if you see here, what are the tables we have? We have student ID, table column, student name, and course ID. Okay. So now let us create another table. What is the other table? Course. So I'm creating, it has course ID and course name, course ID and course name. So come here. So let us insert certain records. So insert the records. Select star from courses. So this is course ID, course name. Okay. So course ID, course name. So now what we are going to do, we are going to do joins. Okay. So first what we are going to do, left join. Okay. So left join. See this table students, left join with courses. Okay. So let us see. Select star from students. Select star from students. That is students 2. Students 2. Students 2. Course ID. I told you there should be one common column. If you see, left join courses student 2, course ID equal to courses dot course ID. So this course ID should be same as they should. Okay, there should be one common column for both the tables. Then only we can do join. If we don't have any common column, we cannot do the joining. Okay, so run this one. So we had joined. So here left join means it is taking all rows of the left table. So here we have two types of tables, guys. So this is student table. This is, what is this? This is course table. Student table. So student table, all student names. For example, who are the students? Alice, Bob, Charlie, David, Eve. And it is searching for matching rows from this course table in which column? Course ID. So we are mapping on course ID. So wherever the course ID is not there, course name is not there, what it is doing, it is saying null. Okay, so it is taking all the names of the students and then whatever course names that are not existing, it is giving null values and rest of them, it is giving the values. Okay. So for example, if you do the right join, so you come here, so you do the right join. Okay, so if you come here, you do the right join. Okay, so when you do the right join, if you see course ID is 101, 102, 103, 106. So we have something called as course name and you have student name here and you also have course ID. Okay, so for example, if you see here, so mathematics. If you take mathematics, so this time this is right join. Okay, so right join means right hand side table. So for example, this table. What is that table? Course table. This table we are taking. So if you see this course name, mathematics, what is course ID? 101. So what is the corresponding name of student of course ID 101? Alice. So what it will do? Alice and course name. So this is student name and this is course name. So course name mathematics and student name Alice. Now course name physics. So if you see what is the course ID of physics 102. So if you see who is the student name of 102? Bob. So we'll get Bob. Next course name chemistry. So who is the student name 103? Charlie. So here we will get Charlie. Okay. Next course name biology. So here biology. So 106. If you see here course ID 106, no one is there. No student is there. So what it will give? Null. Okay. Suppose if we are supposed to have here one more thing, computer science. For example, computer science. So course name is computer science. So we don't have any student with computer science. So what it will give? It will give none. So left join, this is taking all these rows of column course name and getting the matching rows of that student, student column with the column name, student name. So this will be the table. So what we have to get? So for matching their respective values, which are not matching. So biology, we don't have any matching. That's the reason we get null. Computer, we don't have matching. That is why we get null. Okay. So this is how we have to get, fine. So this is left join. So try to do the left join. Come here. So that is the right join. So come to do the right join. Right join. You need to change the table name. Students to, students to. See. So all rows of this course name, mathematics, physics, chemistry, biology, computer science, and matching rows we are getting. So those whatever that is not matching what we are getting a null value. Okay. So this is left join. And let us see inner join. Okay. So let us go to inner join. So what is inner join? If you come here, let us deal with inner join. So what is inner join? If you see only matching, only the combination is nothing but the inner join. Okay. So if you see here inner join, what is the combination? Mathematics. Yes, we have a combination 101. So we have Alice. Physics 102. We have Bob. Chemistry 103. We have Charlie. Okay, so we have Alice, Bob, Charlie. So 106, it is not there. So other things also not there. So what we have to get? We have to get only result like this. Student name and in this column, course name. So what we have to get? Mathematics and student name is Alice and course name physics. Student name is Bob and course name is chemistry and the student name is Charlie. So this is how you have to get. Okay, so this is inner join. Only the combination things we get. Okay, not no null values, nothing like that. Only matching things we get. So I'll try to do a inner join now. Only three records we have to get. So this is students two. This is students two. This is students two. That one. See, we got Alice mathematics, Bob physics, Charlie chemistry. Okay. Now come here. Now if you see here, let us go to one more join, guys.